Now finally, we are ready to assign chart of depreciation to our company code. So if you go back to asset accounting node and organizational structures node and execute assign chart of depreciation to company code and go to your company code, that is AZ01, and then assign your chart of depreciation, that is ZZ01, and then save your entries. Continue with the same customizing request and the data is saved. So here you have to remember one thing, that company codes can only be assigned to the same chart of depreciation. For example, if you have got more than one company code and you want to assign the same chart of depreciation to all your company codes, then make sure that all your company codes maintain the same non-leading ledgers and the same parallel currencies.